FODMAP Foods just dropped a vibrant lime-flavored meal replacement shake, perfect for IBS warriors. Discover how this gut-friendly brand is revolutionizing low FODMAP nutrition. A fresh squeeze of relief for IBS sufferers. If you're among the 1 in 7 Americans battling IBS, you know the struggle, bloating, cramps, and the constant hunt for safe, satisfying foods. Enter FODMAP Foods, the brand shaking up gut-friendly nutrition with its brand new lime meal replacement shake, a zesty twist on their beloved lineup of low FODMAP, IBS-safe products. Founded by Dr. Harmon D.O. and Lynsie Harmon, FODMAP Foods was born from personal experience and medical expertise to help people reclaim their lives from digestive chaos. Now, with their latest flavor launch, managing IBS just got a lot more exciting. Why lime? A burst of flavor without the bloat. Lime isn't just a flavor, it's a low FODMAP hero. Unlike high FODMAP citrus, looking at you grapefruit, lime is Monash University certified in small servings, making it safe for sensitive guts. Here's why this new shake is a game changer. Refreshing and bright. Ditch bland medical shakes. This tastes like summer in a bottle. Gut safe, no garlic, onion, lactose, or high FODMAP additives. Versatile. Enjoy it solo, blend it into smoothies, or as a base for tropical recipes. Nutrient-packed 20 plant-based protein, vitamins, and prebiotics for digestive support. Dr. Harmon's take. We wanted to create something that feels indulgent, but aligns with the low FODMAP diet. Lime adds joy to the journey of managing IBS. More than lime, the FODMAP Foods lineup already love their classic flavors. The new lime shake joins a roster designed for variety and safety: chocolate, vanilla, raspberry, orange, lemon. All shakes are low FODMAP, certified gluten-free and celiac safe, dairy-free and vegan, non-GMO and soy-free. Why meal replacement shakes matter for IBS? For IBS sufferers, meal prep can feel like navigating a minefield. FODMAP Foods simplifies life with no guesswork. Every ingredient is rigorously tested for FODMAP content. Fast fuel, perfect for busy days when cooking isn't an option. Travel-friendly, toss a shake in your bag for IBS-safe nutrition on the go. Lynsie Harmon's story. After years of stomach pain, we realized how isolating IBS can be. Our mission is to give people freedom and flavor back. The science behind low FODMAP research shows that 75% of IBS patients see symptom improvement on a low FODMAP diet. By cutting fermentable carbs, like lactose and fructose, you reduce gas, bloating, and discomfort. FODMAP Foods shakes take the hard work out of this approach, delivering science-backed nutrition without compromise.